How to make $500 to $1,500 a month from a car you already own. You are sitting on an asset right now that most people completely ignore: your car. While it sits parked in your driveway or garage for an average of 22 hours a day, it could be generating hundreds of dollars in passive income every single month. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it using platforms like Turo and HyreCar, and I'm going to show you the real numbers so you can decide if it makes sense for you. Welcome to Fuel Your Wealth. Let's get into it. The concept is simple. Car-sharing platforms let you rent your personal vehicle to other people when you are not using it. Think of it like Airbnb, but for your car. You set the price, you set the availability, you set the rules. The platform handles the payment, the insurance during the rental, and the customer service. The biggest platform for this is Turo. Here is how it works. You list your car with photos, a description, and your daily rate. Renters find your car on the app, book it, and either pick it up from your location or you deliver it to them. Turo provides up to $100,000 in liability insurance during every trip. You keep between 65% and 90% of the rental price depending on which protection plan you choose. Now let me give you real numbers. The average Turo host earns somewhere between $400 and $800 per month on a single mid-range vehicle. If you have a newer model, a luxury car, an SUV, a pickup truck, or a specialty vehicle, that number climbs significantly. Some hosts with desirable vehicles in high-demand markets report earning over $1,500 per month on a single car. What makes a good Turo car? Newer vehicles with low mileage tend to get more bookings. Pickup trucks and SUVs are consistently among the highest earners on the platform. Luxury and exotic cars can earn exceptional rates, but require more management. Even a reliable economy car in a busy city or near an airport can generate consistent income. There are a few things to consider before you start. First, check your personal auto insurance policy. Most personal policies do not cover commercial use, but Turo's insurance covers you during active trips. Second, there is wear and tear to factor in. Renters are putting miles on your car. Factor that into your pricing and your long-term plans for the vehicle. Third, location matters. If you live near an airport, a tourist destination, a university, or a city center, your earning potential is significantly higher. To maximize your earnings, keep your car clean and well-maintained. Respond to booking requests quickly and price competitively for your market. Hosts with 5-star ratings consistently get more bookings and can charge premium rates. The bottom line is this: if your car sits unused for most of the day, you are leaving money on the table every single week. Car sharing could potentially turn that depreciating asset into an income-generating one. Everything in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and nothing here should be considered financial advice. Always do your own research before making any financial decisions.